Question 2, March 2013. Define the following risks. List out and explain the situations that may lead to those risks. Income risk. Risk that the yield of a fund investing in short-term debt securities will decrease because of a decline in interest. Death. If some family members are fully or partly dependent on income earned by other family members, the lives of the income earners should be insured. Disability. Disabled people need rehabilitation. Rehabilitation may require special equipment and other provisions and needs special effort from family, employer and insurance provider. Such people may however be at greater risk of becoming unemployed, especially when jobs are scarce. Unemployment. The greater efficiency of manufacturing industry worldwide, rapid technology change and policies encouraging free trade create pressures on companies to be globally competitive. This often means redundancy in order to cut costs. The need for some insurance against redundancy and unemployment is probably greater than previously. Second one is expense risk. This risk measures the sensitivity of insurance companies' liability for the resultant in the higher expense rate than charged in premium. Divorce. The financial ramifications involved could include a new rental or mortgage payment for a separated spouse, as well as new alimony and or child support payments to be made for both the short and long term. Property. One should only buy insurance against losses that would be significant. This can be achieved through the use of access where people insured pay for the smaller claims themselves and pay the first part of the large claims. Interest. The risk of an investment's value will change due to a change in the absolute level of interest rates. Affects the value of bonds more directly than stocks, and it is a major risk to all bondholders. The third one is saving risk. The portion of disposable income not spent on consumption of consumer goods but accumulated or invested directly in capital equipment or in paying off a home. This risk creates major imponderables in future planning. Volatility of real returns is an issue even with well-selected, diversified portfolios of investment.